Hi, this is Farhan and welcome back to another video. Now, there are two kinds of people who are looking at the price of Bitcoin. The first person is really happy that they bought a Bitcoin early on and they're making a lot of money right now. The second person is beating themselves up on why they didn't buy Bitcoin early because it's absolutely an amazing investment, especially for this year. Now, let me give you a third perspective, and that is why you should still invest in Bitcoin even though the price is still at an incredibly high amount. And for 2021, the expected price of Bitcoin is going to be even higher. So you can be making a lot of money in Bitcoin for the year 2021. Bitcoin has had an incredible rally for this year. At the start of this year, the price of Bitcoin was around $7,000. And today, 27th of December, the price of Bitcoin crossed $28,000, which represents a price increase of more than 300%. And that is why you see a lot of people, whether it's on Reddit or other forums, very happy that they had invested in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is actually one of the best investments for the year. Now, although it is not the best investment, but it's definitely one of the best investments you could have done for the year 2020. And that is why a lot of people are now wondering what's going to happen with Bitcoin for 2021. And there are a lot of analysts out there who have started giving their predictions. Now, these predictions are not just coming now, they have been there for quite some time. And from what we are seeing, these predictions can come true. And that is why Bitcoin might just be one of the best investments you can do for 2021, in which you can be making a lot of money. Now, there are a lot of people who are skeptical about investing in Bitcoin because they're saying the price of Bitcoin is at an all-time high. And that is true. The price of Bitcoin is at an all-time high. But the price predictions that are coming for Bitcoin for 2021 put it at an incredible amount. The first price prediction puts Bitcoin, for the price of Bitcoin by the end of 2021, at $100,000. This prediction comes from Morgan Creek's CEO Mark Yosko, who says that the price of Bitcoin could exceed $100,000 over the next year or so. And the next one is from the popular stack to flow model and the creators Plan B. They have said that Bitcoin is on track to hit $100,000 by December 2021 due to a supply shortage. People ask if I still believe in my model. To be clear, I have no doubt whatsoever that Bitcoin stock to flow model is correct and Bitcoin will tap $100,000 to $288,000 before December 2021. Which, if you look at the current price right now, definitely seems like a good investment. But that is not just the case. And this is not just coming from the analyst here. There are companies out there who have bet on Bitcoin. So let's look at these. Now, personally, the reason why I believe that the price of Bitcoin is going to increase a lot in 2021 is because of institutional money being flown into Bitcoin. Now, we have already seen this happen in 2020, and most notably, MicroStrategy bought billions of dollars worth of Bitcoin, hoping that it is going to increase. And that has happened. Now, in 2021, this is going to go even further, in which a lot of other major institutions are going to start buying Bitcoin. And 2021 is going to be the year in which the Dow Jones has announced its crypto indices. So as you can expect, major Wall Street players are going to jump in on Bitcoin once this comes out as well. And 2021 can be the year in which Bitcoin can actually touch that $100,000 marks or even go higher than that. Now, to some, even that $100,000 seems conservative, as analysts from Citibank have put a Bitcoin price for the end of 2021, basically in December 2021, to be at $318,000, which is absolutely crazy if you're looking at the prices right now. But if you look at the past and see the price currently, it seemed crazy as well, but the price has been reached. And there are price predictions of even higher than that, but I'm not gonna go into that. But as you can get, the overall idea here is that a lot of people, whether they're analysts or financial institutions, everybody's saying that the price of Bitcoin is going to go up, and it seems that that is the likely trajectory here. Now the question is, should you buy it right now? A lot of people in the crypto world, and including myself, are expecting a price correction to happen to the price of Bitcoin anytime soon. And a lot of people are saying that it might happen in January. So there are going to be some people who are going to be waiting for this dip to happen and buy when the price of Bitcoin is slightly lower. But if you're a person who is here for the long term, it might not make a major difference to you whether you buy it now or buy it later. And again, timing the dip when you're trying to buy Bitcoin is incredibly hard. So for those of you who are thinking about long-term buying at this point, might not seem a bad idea. Now, if you are thinking of making money in 2021, buying Bitcoin might not seem a bad idea, as I've mentioned throughout this video. But I should remind you that the crypto world is very volatile, in which you can be losing a lot of money. And remember, the golden mantra of crypto world is only invest what you can afford to lose. So make sure you keep in mind. Well guys, that was the video for today. Let me know what are your thoughts in the comment section below, because I love reading all your comments. And as always, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe to me to get the latest and best information from the crypto world. And as always, I will see you next time.